Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to transform this photo to become this black and white line art portrait. How to create this photo transformation, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and you can access it via Google AI Studio for free. So you can start to click this chat with models and go to this images category and click this Nano Banana. And now this Nano Banana is ready. And after that, you can start to upload the picture here, and you can start to choose the image from your device. And for example, I will select this one and click open. And after that, I will start to put the prompt into this section. Convert this attached photo into the highly detailed and clean black and white line art sketch illustration, exactly like a professional hand-drawn portrait. This will be the result that we want, guys. And also pure black outlines only. No grayscale fills except very subtle light, and also shading for depth or on the clothes and hair. And also all people keep their exact poses. And also the facial expression, clothing detail, hairstyle, glasses, and also the accessories and proportion from the reference photo. And also the simple minimal outdoor background, and also with the soft trees, bushes, and also the ground lines. And also it's very crisp, elegant, and smooth line work, and thick and thin varied stroke, and also suitable for the coloring book or the large wall print. White background and presented as a framed artwork with the white frame and also a light beige matte. No color shading and also watercolor or painting. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here, guys. Basically, you will have to wait for maybe 15 seconds, and after that, this Nano Banana will show you the result or the output, guys. And also you will have the chance to have the maybe a little bit different of the picture or the output by using the same prompt over here, guys. And after waiting for, oh, it turns out it consumes the 41 seconds, but the look is quite detailed and beautiful. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all, guys. This is the way how you transform the photo into the line art portrait picture, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.